Hi guys, it's Sweet Tooth. Today we're bringing you a nice pair of Ray-Bans. No, actually, it has me crow feet. No, what we're looking at is doff grass seed, and what we're going to do is we're going to sort this small area out here. What you're going to need is a little bit of compost. This has got compost in it. You're going to need, I'll put a bit of this. This is Grow More compost in it. I've prepared the ground. Got as many stones out as possible. Alright. So, what we need is a rake. Just rake it in nicely like that. As much of this out as possible. Now, it doesn't have to be perfect at all. It's literally it's just a patch here that's been caught when we've been mixing concrete up, so we're just gonna put some of this in to repair it. So just give this a good shake first, because it'll mix all the fertilizer in. Just leave that in like that. Okay, so now we've popped that in now. Just give the ground a bit of a rake. My secret weapon is a piece of ply. What you do is just place this on top. I'm going to show you. What this does is it flattens out the soil, and it also compresses the seed into the ground, so it takes a lot easier and better. It's always a good idea to make sure there's any dips or delves that you fill in and then stamp on them again. So that's now ready to be watered, and we're back with a can. I like doing my videos in real time. Forgot to bring the watering can. You always use a rose sprinkler on this. The reason we use a rose sprinkler, because if you use anything like a watering can, it'll just blow the seeds around. Alright guys, that's it. just easy peasy. I'll try and keep it as short as possible. So that's the Love Your Lawn Grass feed. The thing as well, remember, you got to give this a water a few times a day for the next few days. Don't let it dry out, and then in about 2 weeks you should see the grass coming through. Thanks very much guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.